What are you doing?
Slime. Doing slime.
What ingredient is that?
Blue and Ariel. Mommy, can you open it?
Here.
Just a little bit. Stacked.
What's that?
Ariel.
What is that for?
Or I forgot it. First, I need mixer.
I get one then.
Okay. Mama, son.
Next time, you should be making your
Mommy. I
materials ready before starting.
put this.
Yeah.
Okay. I will mix it now.
What did you get?
Spoon. Look at it. It's color blue because the blue is color blue.
What place is this?
Sable.
No.
What?
What do you call this place?
Slimy time.
What?
Slimy time. I need more Ariel. But not too many. That.
Why do you like slime? Huh? What is the effect of slime to you?
Because if you're stressed, you can hold slime and your stress will go out.
Okay.
Look, it's forming. It's looking good.
Let me see.
And the color is so nice.
How's the
Like-
smell?
Smells good.
Where did you buy the glue? What kind of glue is that?
I don't know. It's for me, but I need more glue. I need more Ariel.
Again?
Yeah.
Why?
It's not more for me.
What?
It's not for me.
It's not what?
For me.
Huh?
It's going good. Look at the slime. It's so nice.
How did you learn about slime?
YouTube. My arm's tired.
What?
My arm's tired to mixing. I need more Ariel. It's not for me.
It's not what?
For me. Just that. Okay, I need glue.
Glue is for what?
First wax. Okay, that's enough glue. still sticky. So it's sticky, so to be not sticky, I will put some Oreo. Just a little bit. Stop it. So sticky. No. It's going good.
You're always telling it's going good.
Yeah. But it sticks in my hands. Need more Oreo.
Again?
Yeah, because it's so sticky. And I do like sticky slimes
Why not?
because it will stick everywhere if your slime sticky. Nice slime.
What time are you going to finish that?
What?
What time are you going to finish?
Mixing.
Yeah. What?
If it don't stick in the bowl, it's already done. You can play it now.
So, how is it?
But it's not, it's sticking in the bowl, so it's not. So nice. Sticks in my hands. So sticky. It's going good.
Can you make bubble?
Yeah, I can do. I
Can you-
did it.
Can you do it now, the bubble?
Okay. Put it here. Where are I putting this? Okay. That. This is the slime I do. It's a little bit sticky. It's color blue
Why is it blue?
because the glue it's color blue. So nice, but it sticks. But it's so sticky about that. It's going good. So sticky.
Where's the bubbles?
Wait, I'm taking it in my hands because it's sticky. Sorry. I'm getting the Oreo. So stretchy. So sticky. Okay. I take it in my hands now to take a little bit slime more.
Wow! There's a bubble.
Yeah.
One more?
Okay.
Wow! Nice.
I can do big bubble too, but we need many glue.
But for now, you can do small bubble, right?
Yeah.
One
Yes.
more? One last.
A bubble?
Yeah.
Okay.
Before you say bye-bye to them. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.